Getting new legs clean and prepped and ready.
Oh, you on YouTube already?
There we go.
Would you be barking to it? Say less work.
Huh?
Oh, they wanted to bark up already.
Yeah.
Oh, how to do it, but I don't want to ruin your saw blades now. Because now you ruin the saw blades.
Yeah, but
I used to do that too, but
we need pencil.
my friend who used to have the blade, he said, "Hey, I'll do that."
Yeah.
Now later on, I caught him doing the same thing. So
All right. So yeah, if you want, that's how you do it. Go for it.
let me grind it out too.
Okay. If you want, you can just watch him. Watch him, and then when it's time to pass it. We got the smilers complete. I had to resketch it again for today.
You kissing each other? No. Good enough.
I can get.
Actually, oh, there's a little bump here. I need to take it out.
You want me to?
Oh. You know.
Then you have this one.
Okay. And mind your brush. This one's a little softer than the other one. Okay, I'll have the other one.
Okay.
I'll do a little like this.
Yeah, right there. Center it up when you
Okay.
want. I should have gotten that. We just scribed it over there. He just scribed it. It's a lock. It has a lock.
Unlock her.
So that way you don't go all the way down and cut it. But hold on. You find it? That's the lock right there. Notching it out right now. So we can do that. One down, one more to go.
Then we're going to fight over the table. Who can do it first?
Yeah, you know, you no need to fight. You got it. You got leeway on that. All right.
You gotta take off the outline.
Yeah, I'll let Hessa. We're gonna flip it over and take it off.
This is not going to happen.
It's a little snug.
It's a little too tight. Once I tossed it in my hand and I grabbed that thing.
Yeah,
So good.
perfectly. The second go around is good. Yeah, you got it snug.
It almost looks like I'm a carpenter, but I'm not.
Let it run. It's not running.
There you go. You do it wisely. You want it right away in low gear, and always just have it in high gear.
I don't like getting stopped.
I don't know, I'm in a hurry to die, I guess.
Yeah, I prefer to keep my skin intact. That should be good. You're hitting one of the two, I think.
There you go.
What's this other tip right there?
And there you go.
Yeah, pass me two, the green ones. These are way too long. Sorry.
You know, you need to choose which what you have on the ground and what you want to have on the top. That's what it is on the ground. Let me know, get myself a little piece of wood so I can cut them up even. Oh, this is not good.
No, hold on.
No, not good. Not good. Hold on, I need to hammer it. It's not tight. Need to beat it. want to get in.
I think we already have it. Maybe we
As good as you can get.
Yeah, we got it.
Abuse
I think
them
I
like
should
that.
put a shim in there.
You can put them.
In case the kids go under there, they won't get nicked by
nothing
it.
would happen. I'll need to get to myself what I need now to.
I hope the before is coming out. Can't really see too well with the lighting. We got started. There's a couple section where the wood is hard and dense, so it's going a little bit slower, and then there are sections where it's just blowing through it like a breeze. I got the outside edge knocked. I think I got 3 sides on the outer edge complete. The top one needs to be retouched and cleaned up, and then from there I can proceed and start burning out the middle end sections. Slow and steady, coming along, getting closer. Smilers. Just a section more I need to clip, and then I have my first letter complete, which is the last S. Got the new leg put on or installed temporarily. So much better. That's my neighbor Henry. He came over to help me out, rescue me. Help me get to the finish line. Perfect. Joints just sit perfectly together right there.
Okay. I'll slow you down right away.
Try this one.
That's not a problem.
It's way too long.
I'll find it out. I need to have a couple here.
I can make this work, but they're a little too long. I just have to put them in an angle.
I'll make it shorter. Sometimes also work for steel.
Angle, put it on an angle. Yeah. So you shorten a screw when it's too long. You shorten it. Put it in an angle.
I know, wasting money, huh?
Yep, see? They fit though.
That's exactly here. Here you have it.
Yeah.
There you have it.
All right. We
See the beauty of this
messed up
electric
the first leg. We had cut the angles off and we changed the measurement, swapped it out, and it was too short. So we had to backpedal and make another one. That's what I said. Leave it alone. Cutting the straps to secure them, shear up the legs so they don't buckle under the weight. There you have it. Got the legs all taken care of. My heart is just palpitating. It feels like it's just want to jump out of my chest or come straight out of my throat. I mean, the neighbor did that. The neighbor came over and did that. Hmm? Yeah, what? Oh no, it's not work running right now, Papa. Yeah. It's not recording. Hmm? You see? Getting closer to the finish line. I gotta finish the S and the I. Alright. I got that taken care of. So now I'm gonna sketch in the S and just put some more charcoal on it, because that oil and the dust hides the edging from the charcoal that I have scribed on the surface. Getting closer to the finish line. Well, maybe I'll see if I show you guys how I freehand and I free scribe it. I'm not doing the traditional stuff, by the way. I'm just doing it go by feeling. I'm just trying to let the piece speak to me. And then I struggle with making the perfect S2. So here we go. Alright, that's it right there. Getting closer to the finish line. It looked like it might have another rainstorm coming out, so I have to pause for a second and put up some equipment. Then I'll proceed.